Everybody stand up. All right, show me touch it. Wow, come in. Student tenets begin. Honor, courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, courage, community, patronage. Jimmy. All right, you guys, so from here, what we're gonna do for a warm-up today, gonna set, I love timers. So I'm gonna set a timer for 12 minutes. No, I'm just kidding, just one. 1 minute. Okay. So, how are we gonna decide what we're gonna do for the first minute? You guys are gonna actually help me. So, someone give me a number between 1 and 50. Whoever is closest gets to pick the first exercise. All right, so let's do Lion.
32.
Okay. Okay. Parker.
20.
Okay. Alexander.
33.
Okay. Dane.
45.
Okay. And Mason, you got one?
37.
Okay. Ben? Or Alan? You said? Don't want to guess? Okay. Anybody else have a guess? Parker, you already guessed. Brayon.
49.
Okay. So my number was 33. So Alexander gets to pick our first exercise. What are we doing, sir?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man push-ups. Okay. So for those of you guys who have never done a Spider-Man push-up, this is how it works. So we're going to be in our push-up position, like so. And when you bend your elbows, you're actually going to touch your knee to your elbow on both sides. Like that. Okay? Are you guys ready? 1 minute. Get set. Go. Spider-Man push-ups. Touch your knees to your elbows when you bend your elbows. You have to bend your elbows. If you don't bend your elbows, it's not a push-up. That's it, Dane. Now you want to try to bring the knee around the side and not through the middle. All right, 34 seconds left. Come on, bend them elbows. All right, 13 seconds. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
Come on, Dane. Don't let your little brother pass you up. Come on.
3, 2, 1, time. All right, next one. I'm thinking of a color, a basic color. Whoever can guess my color picks the next exercise. So somebody give me a color. Alexander, what's your color?
What is a basic color?
Like green, yellow, blue, purple, not like periwinkle or magenta or chartreuse, something, just basic colors.
Blue.
Okay. Ezra, or not Ezra, Lion.
Green.
Okay. Dane?
Purple.
Okay. Brown?
Red.
Okay. Mason?
Orange.
Okay. Ben, do you want to guess? No? Okay. Parker?
I forgot.
Okay.
Because I was gonna say purple, but then
Someone else said purple. That's okay.
I didn't know what to say.
Okay. So my color was orange. So Mason gets to pick. What's our next exercise? What you thinking, buddy?
Jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks. But you know what? We're going to make it a little bit more fun. That's a good idea. So instead of jumping jacks, what I want us to do are jumping jills. Okay? So this is what they look like. It kind of looks like you're running in place. So I'm going to show you this way. So opposite hand, opposite foot, and then I switch. Just like that. Both feet have to be on the floor at the same time. So I can't do this. Both of my feet have to land at the same time. Okay, and then the arms just go up and down. All right, you guys ready? 1 minute, go. There you go, keep it up, keep it up. Fast, Mason, faster, faster. There you go, 35 seconds. Uh, 10 seconds. Keep it up. Almost done. Almost done. Don't stop on me. Time. All right. So for our last exercise, I am going to pick. This one's my choice. So I don't really know what these are called, but we used to do these back in the day when I did dance class years ago. And yes, Mr. Jackson used to dance. So what we're going to do is you're going to drop, hands down, feet back up, and you're going to squat, and then you're going to jump, tuck your knees. Just like that. Okay? So you have to tuck your knees up when you jump. Yes, Dane?
I know what they're called.
What is it?
They're called burpees.
No, a burpee has a push-up in it. It's a good guess, though. Okay. Are you guys ready? 1 minute. Get set. Go. So remember, when you jump, your knees have to touch your chest. When you jump, your knees come up to your chest. As fast as you can. Down, in, up, down, in, up, down. "30 seconds, halfway there, guys. Parker, don't stop, keep going. 5 seconds. Time. All right, beautiful. Let's get into our stretches. All right, arms forward. Backwards. And hugs. Up and down. Hands on the hips and hip circles. Now knee circles. Cobra stretch. Cat back. And we're gonna do our torso twist. So one leg over top of the other, arm across, twist. Switch. And feet apart. Hands behind the head, and we're going side to side. And then through the middle. Butterfly. All right, stand up. All right, guys, so from here, what I want you guys to do is I want you to find a large pillow. Everyone go find a large pillow, preferably one that's a little bit stiff. Find a nice, firm, large pillow. All right, so we're gonna do a couple different things with that pillow. But first, let me check if everybody's got something. Go to gallery view for a second. Boom, boom. Yes. Looks like majority of you guys have a large pillow. Okay, and it's funny, 2 of you guys have younger siblings that are stealing your pillows from you. All right, so from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the motion that goes in the first part of the form. So what I want you to do, I want you to stand directly next to that pillow, directly next to it. And what I want you to do is we're gonna take this foot and we're gonna step that direction into a front stance and do our outer forearm lock punch like in the form. But you have to step over that pillow in order to get into your stance. We don't want to step, whoops. We don't want to step directly sideways, because then I step on the pillow and then my stance is too narrow and I can fall over. So I want to make sure that I step over top into my stance, lock punch, start over. Okay, we're going to do this about 10 times. Does that make sense to everybody? Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. All right, so with me, we're going to do it 10 times on this side and then 10 times on the other side. And they're going to do something else with it, which I think is kind of fun. All right, ready? 2B. And 1. Step over, out of form block, punch. Step back. 2. Step over, block punch, step back. 3. 4. 5. All right, let's keep it going. I won't watch the next 5. 6.
Lion, do me a favor, turn your pillow the other way.
Well, thank you for following Hands Martial Arts Academy. This is Kelly. How can I help you?
There you go. Now stand next to it and then step over it and behind it when you do that. No, over it, behind. Yes, there you go.
All right, let's keep it going. 7. 'All right, so make sure when we're doing this outer forearm block, guys, we want one arm to go, the other arm's on our hip, okay? All right, 8. Oh, that's a beautiful stance, Dane. 9. 'Last one on this side. 10. All right, so reverse punch, Ben. Yeah, you got it. All right, so now move your pillow to the other side. And now we're gonna do it on the other side. So stepping with our right foot this time. Just do that over.
Dane, step up next to the mat. There you go. Now when you step, you're going to step over top and behind it.
All right, ready? 1.
Good, Dane.
Hold on, Mason. Use your right foot to step. Can you tap your right foot for me? Can you show me which one is your right foot? Yes, okay. 2.
Good, Dane. Put that heel on the ground, Dane.
Yes, that's it, Mason.
Good job.
So, Mason, face me though. So face forward first, and then when you step with your foot, you're gonna turn, okay? 3. Parker. Wrong hand, Parker. Wrong hand, Parker. Try again. You want to block with your right arm, punch with your left arm. Which one is your right arm, sir? So that one needs to block. Your left arm, which is the other one, needs to punch. Okay? And just for sake of time, I'm going to skip to 10. 10! Okay, beautiful. Next thing that we're going to do with this pillow. I do this a lot with the little leaders, but we can actually do this too. So what we're going to do is we're going to practice balance, because in the last little bit of the form, we have to balance on one foot and chamber so we can get our 2 punches in. If we don't have good balance, that part won't look as good. So we're going to jump on top of the pillow with 1 foot and hold it until I say put it down. So it'll look like this. We're going to jump up, and we just hold until I say stepped off. Okay? And the reason I want you to jump on your pillow is because a pillow is not as stable as the floor. So if you can balance on a pillow, you're good to go. Okay? Are you ready? So we're gonna do 1 foot in the air, then the other, it doesn't really matter. And what I want you to do, I don't want you to just kind of have your knee here. I want you to try to lift it up as if you just did a front kick, or you're chambering for a front kick. Ready? 1, jump up. Oh, I fell off. Let me try again. Let's try it again. 1, jump up. Hold it. Come on.
Good job, Alexander. Bring that knee up higher a little bit.
2. Ah. It's harder than it looks, actually. Do it again. 2. And come off. Three. Come off. Now I'm going to watch. 4. Balance, balance, balance. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Higher knee, Dane. Higher knee.
Nice, Ben. Good job.
And come off. Last one on this side. 5. And come off. All right, other foot now. Other foot, other foot. All right. 1, jump up. Hands up in guard position, hands up in guard position. Squeeze your core. Squeeze your belly muscles. Hold that leg up in the air. And come off. This is quite entertaining. 2. Jump up there, hold it, high knees. High knees. And come off.
Great job, Ben. Good job.
That was beautiful. All right, what number are they on? 3? 4? 4. Jump up there. Boom, lift that knee up high, 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 high. Arms up in guard, squeeze your belly. Squeeze your belly, squeeze your booty muscles. I know it sounds weird, but I promise it helps. And come off. All right, last one. Okay, challenge, hold both knees in the air. I'm kidding, it's impossible. All right, and 5. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I'm not gonna say come off until I see everybody up there. Lion's not on the pillow. Come on, hold it, guys, hold it. I need to see everybody up there at the same time. Come on now, everyone stay up there. And drop, okay. That was fun. All right,
Good
so
job, guys.
that pillow for our next bit. Okay. So from here, guys, we're gonna jump straight in to our form. I'm gonna see if we can get through the whole thing. Okay? The whole thing. Which for pretty much most of you guys in this group, you guys only have 16 moves. So that's very doable. Very doable, especially because these moves mirror each other. You do one thing on one side, you do it again on the other side. So it's easy to come up with, what's the word I want to use? Memorize. So from here, starting at Jumbi position, normal, Jumbi. Going to the left side, remember stepping over that pillow. Outer forearm block in a front stance. Reverse punch. This is a middle punch, guys. Not high, not low. It's in the middle. And do it on the other side. So our feet come together. We're going to chamber. Look over the shoulder. Outer forearm block to the other side. Reverse punch. All right, back to Jumbi. Let's do just that much.
Mr. Jackson, can you explain to them where the fist goes for the outer forearm block?
Yes. So when we do an outer forearm block, guys, we're going to chamber that one on the bottom. The other hand's on the top. That way it can come across and through this way. It has to come over our arm. If we go this way, will it work? Probably. Would it be as effective? Nope. If we bring it from the bottom, it has longer to travel, therefore it has more momentum, more power. So outer forearm blocks cross on the bottom. Pass the elbow and twist. Okay.
And turn your fist out like you're knocking on a door. You're doing a back fist. And Dane, do yours. Turn your, yes, the good job.
Try that a few times. Outer forearm block punch, outer forearm block punch. Ding, 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 ding.
Alexander, can you do the outer forearm block punch to both sides?
Or there's a punch too, bud. 1, 2, yeah, there you go.
Remember the outer forearm block chamber's on the bottom, okay? You got this.
I might freeze for just a second. Not everyone's doing this, but this is something that I want to address because even I do it sometimes and I forget. So to help me explain this one, Ms. Holiday, do you mind hopping out here? Oh, here she comes. Hey, my lovely assistant. All right, so something that I noticed, and I don't know if you noticed this too, when we do any kind of block, your wrist has to be straight in line with your arm. Why do you think that is?
More strength.
Yes, it's stronger because it aligns all the muscles in your arm. If my arm is like this or like that, I won't have near as much power. And let me explain and demonstrate how that works. Do an outer forearm block for me. Okay, just normally. Okay, now I'm gonna adjust her wrist. Actually, let's come forward so they can see. There you go, that's a better idea. Block, boom. Now I'm gonna adjust the wrist this way because I see that a lot. Try to hold it up without shifting your feet or anything. Just hold it up with your own strength, okay? 2 fingers, guys. Okay, now let's try it the other way. Do it again. Now let's, pull it down. Let's try again. 2 fingers. Hold it up. Doesn't take much effort at all, which, by the way, guys, this is my left hand, and I'm right-handed. And that's her right hand.
Yeah.
And I believe she is right-handed.
Yep.
Yes. So now, do it normally. Nice straight wrist. Good. Whole hand. Try your wrist. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I really was trying, guys. Seriously. It takes so much more effort to pull down the arm, and the block is so much more effective if the wrist is straight. Not this way, not this way. So something I want you to take a look at when you're doing your blocks. What does your wrist look like? A broken wrist is a bent wrist. Okay, we don't want broken wrists. You can go like this. Something to think about. Thank you, Ms. Holiday. And that goes for all blocks, guys, not just these. Any block, we want straight wrists. All right, let's continue. Let's add more. So, back to our Junbi position. We have our left side outer forearm block punch. Do it with me. Then the right side. Now from here, both my arms are going to chamber backwards over my right shoulder. Stepping my left foot, which is my back foot. Stepping that one forward into a back stance. Double knife hand block. Again, straight wrist. Reach, ask mom for money. Step through. Spear hand and yell. All right, now, here comes the fun part. I'm going to take this, twist it over. Now, somebody grabbed your wrist, twist it over, and you're going to do a spinning back fist, but notice what's happening with this arm. It's still behind me, back fist. I leave it behind me for a second, and then I pull it back. Let me show you again without the stumbling of my feet. Step through, spear hand. Twist the wrist over. Bring it to your back fist. And then pull it up. Okay? Why in the world do we have to put our hand in the back like this for a second and then pull it up? Does anybody know? Parker, you know?
Because the next move, you're using that arm to like do the other.
Nope, not quite. Good guess though. Good guess though. Bran?
The arm, when you spin, the arm thinks somebody heel and spin and do the back fist.
I mean, you are right. There is a spinning back fist there. But why does my hand have to be back here before I pull it up? Ms. Holiday, we may need you for this one too. Alexander, you have a guess? Somebody else is on. What's Alexander's guess? What do you think?
So if they come again and they get you, you don't get them to hold your hand again.
They came in and got.
Well, I mean, yes, they did grab you. But here's the reason. Let me open this up to speaker view for a second. Here's the reason. So I'm doing my spear hand, and she grabs it. Uh-oh. I can't get away from her. It's not working. So what I have to do is I have to twist my wrist over. And the reason I twist the wrist over is because it pulls to my back a lot easier. This way, it doesn't work. So I twist the wrist, and I use her arm to get myself closer Bam! Spinning back fist. So his arm is still here, she's still trapped. Pop. Then I step forward again. Pop. So you're using that arm as a leverage to pull yourself in to throw the back fist. So again, how it works. Spear hand. Turn. Oh, stop. Didn't mean to step on your toe.
That's okay.
Okay, does that make sense? Yes? Okay, so when we're doing that technique, here, twist, bring it to your back first, then pull it up. Okay, folks, small detail. Actually, all the small details I think I want to do because we don't have much time right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. So now let's see if we can get through a little bit more. Ready? Oh, spin your beat. Jimmy stance. Do-do-do. Stand up, Alexander. Stand up, Alexander. Okay. All right, one outer form block. Punch. Other side. Outer form block. Punch. Reach back. Double knife hand. Spear hand and yell. Ugh. Twist the wrist. Turn. Back fist. Remember the hands behind the back for a second. Bring it up. Step again. Back fist. Now I'm going to scoot over this way a bit. Picking up my left leg. I'm going to lift it up and turn just like the last cycle's form. It's up, not a back stance, it's front stance. Outer forearm block. Reverse punch. Now the other side, face the back. Outer forearm block. Reverse punch. And that is 2/3 pretty much of the intermediate form. Let's go a couple more moves. Here's when it gets fun. Hands on the hips. Lift up on your toes and turn towards your back foot. And as soon as you come down, watch what happens. Hold the motorcycle. Double outer form block. Now remember that balance drill we did at the beginning? Here it comes. Back leg, front kick, hold. Now take your other arm, the one that's not on the same side as the one that's in the air, the leg that's in the air. Chamber, put it down, 2 punches, 1, 2. And that is the end of the intermediate form. That's it. Very short, guys, very short. 18 moves. Now let's do that one more time. We'll finish that for today. Ready? Scoot over a little. Jimmy. Outer forearm block punch. Other side. Reach back. Double knife hand. Spear hand and yell. Twist the wrist. Pull it to the back, spinning. Back fist. Pull that hand up. Step. Back fist. Chamber. Turn. Outer forearm block. Punch. Other side. Lock. Punch. Hands on the hips. Up on the toes. Turn. Double out of form block. Back leg front kick. Chamber with the opposite arm. Put it down. Punch, punch. And that's it. Fun times, fun times. Any questions? Questions? Alexander, do you have a question? No? Okay. All right, guys, keep practicing, keep working hard. And until next time, I'll see you all on the mat. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Good job. You didn't do the wall sit challenge?
Pass.
We're running out of time.
Good
That was
job, guys. Bye.
Bye.